So this just arrived today. It took about 2 weeks to arrive. So I made sure to not be on YouTube and see any sneak peeks because people in Europe got this a lot faster than me in North America. So this is my second Scrawlr box. If you don't know, it's a subscription service with art supplies. And last time it was mostly acrylics, heavy body acrylics. I didn't film that one because I just got into it right away, and I've not been doing very much with acrylics, so it wasn't as exciting as for me personally. And also I had seen what was going to be in the box, so but this time it's all fresh. There we go. What could be inside? Ooh. Okay. There's a weird kind of bit of damage to the box. I was a little worried about that. So Scrawlr always puts in candy with their subscription box. So I've never seen this. This is rhubarb and custard. Scrawlr is a UK base, so you tend to get some candies that you can't get in North America, so that's neat. And they always put in a nifty little sticker, so that's cute. And let's see what we have here. So this is a menu of what is in the September box. You get 3 Posca pens. Nope, actually more than that. So 3 in the pastel shades, which I don't have. I actually don't have Posca pens that are this big. I only have the small nib size in white and like silver and gold. So moving on, so these are 5M size. These are 3M size, so white and black. So that's neat, something new to try. And then there's a Faber-Castell Eco Pigment Liner 0.6. I don't think I've even ever seen these. So that's nib size there. So that's neat. I do like the Faber-Castell Pit pens, so I'm not sure. It says, this popular and reliable Eco Pigment fiber tip pen from Faber-Castell is suitable for writing, drawing, and sketching. Thanks to its special pigmented ink, it is also ideal for use on drawing paper and transparent paper. The pigmented ink is waterproof and light fast, and the pen features an ergonomic grip zone. I guess that's that. And making for comfortable use. Okay. So I always like having liner pens. And so during that little intermission while my phone was actually full, I kept wondering when it would get full, I primed the Posca pens so I can swatch those out. And so every Scrawlr box comes with this little magazine, and it goes over what's in the box. And every subscription comes with, Scrawlr has commissioned an artist to work with the supplies that are in the box. And this month is SP0. And then it has tips and tricks for using the supplies. And then there's a spread of people who tagged Scrawlr using, I believe this was July's supplies from the box. I think it was like a liquid graphite, and so they feature some of the artists who sent their works in. And because SP0 is a street artist, there's a little write-up about street art origins. So that's quite nice. And then we have, I like that they also give you something to do the artwork on. This is an A5 marker sketch pad, 250 GSM, and 10 sheets, so that's pretty nice. It's got a really extremely smooth surface. It almost feels like Yupo paper. So that'd be interesting. I've not used anything like that before. So what I thought I would do is take maybe this just to show what these pens are like. This is the coral pink. So it really flows well together. It doesn't leave so many streaks, which I like. This one is the aqua green. And purple's not my usual thing. This is lavender, but they do seem to go really well with each other. So there's that, and then there's the thinner tip Posca pens. I won't do the white because it's won't be able to see it on this. And here's the black. So you'll see it's a bit thinner nib. And then the Echo Pigment is a 0.6. I usually go for a little bit smaller than that. 0.5 and 0.5 usually, or 0.3. So there's that one. And then the graphite pencil is supposed to be, it's a 2B. And the write-up says, this pencil is made for artists and designers. It has a high percentage of carbon in the lead, so this pencil delivers a deep rich blacks. With the matte finish, the pencil is great for sketching, expressive marks, and hatching. It also has super bonded lead, which lends to a more break-resistant pencil. So try that out. I find that's more like a pencil crayon than a regular graphite pencil. So something that I don't really have. I think I have a Stabilo one that is very, very black. And yeah, so, and then at some point I will eat my drumstick. Rhubarb and custard is a very sort of British combo, and I'll definitely be putting that on something too. So I'm not sure if I'm going to sign up for the next box. I only went for 2 months. I just wanted to see what sort of standard they had. It's all very, professional artist supply, so that's not an issue. And I didn't want to, get things that either A, I wouldn't use, or B, that I already had and don't need more of. But I do like this. I want to get more into Posca pens. I can see the advantage of working mixed media with them, with my watercolor and things like that. So I will probably be looking at more of these in the future. But for now, I will try these out. Thanks very much.